How to cancel an order on Shein. Open the Shein app first and make sure that you're already logged into your account. At the lower right corner, tap the Me button where you'll typically see different features including your account, orders, settings, etc. After that, go to your orders, tap View All. Right there, you'll be able to find all of your orders. And then after that, tap the specific order that you want to cancel. Next, on the bottom left, you'll see 3 dots. Click the 3 dots and then click Cancel Order. Confirm the cancellation by selecting the product and click Cancel again. Then, the order will be cancelled as long as you didn't have any issues. Please note that you can try cancelling it yourself within 10 minutes to 6 hours after confirmation. If you can't cancel it yourself, you can contact customer service for help. And that's basically how to cancel your order on Shein app. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you.